Hey y'all, this is Brandy from Southern Crafts DIY, and I want to welcome all my new viewers and say hey to all my returning viewers. So if y'all follow me on social media, which the links are in the description box down below, I have a list of all the stuff I'm going to be using today to do my craft so y'all can follow along. And if y'all have already checked it out, then y'all will know what I'm going to be doing, hopefully. And what it is that we're going to be making St. Patrick's Day candles. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright y'all, I know I said let's get started, but I just wanted to mention on my next, on this project and my next two projects, they're going to be a little short and quick and easy because I have a lot of appointments and visits that I have to take my mom to with her cancer, and it's a lot. I mean, sometimes we go to 3 to 4 appointments in one day, so I need to be able to do something that's quick and easy, but I still want to get some videos out for y'all. So I want to show y'all something that's fast and easy to make, but it can still be really pretty, that y'all can put together for y'all's house or to give out. So I just want to tell y'all that. So again, let's get to it. Alright y'all, so y'all have seen me make candles before, but I just really wanted to do these St. Patrick's Day candles because look at these. These are so cute. I just couldn't resist. My husband gave these to me. Y'all could find, I'm sure y'all could find some St. Patrick's Day candles, shot glasses at Walmart or Dollar Tree or something. Or if y'all can't, y'all could use stickers or something with regular shot glasses to make St. Patrick's Day candles. But I just thought they were so cute. So you just do what I do every time. You just measure out with the shot glass how much wax you're going to use. If I make a little mess, it's not a huge deal. It'll be fine. And like always, you're going to have to use double the amount of wax to make your candle. So you just put it in there twice for one candle. This is an easy little project, that won't take too long. The longest is the melting of the wax and the cooling down of the wax. So that's one candle. And these would also make pretty cool gifts to give out to people, whether it's for St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day, if you make them for Christmas, any holiday, Easter, you name it. But seeing how I'm doing St. Patrick's Day, St. Patrick's it is. So this is 2 candles. Now, I'm using the kit I used originally for my first candle I made, but if you don't have the kit, you just get the wax, the wicks, a thermometer, a pot, stove, etc. And you just do it that way. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it with the kit. I just had the kit, so that's why I'm doing it that way. Now, I am going to be melting the wax. Now it's got to go up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it's going to cool down to 135 degrees before I can pour it into the shot glasses. So, let's have some fun. So I'm not going to show y'all the melting or cooling down of the wax because I've already done 2 candle videos. So if y'all want to see that, y'all can watch the other videos that I've already done. Alright y'all, now that it is at the right temperature, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, I am going to be pouring the wax into the molds. Well, not molds, into the shot glasses. Sorry y'all. Oops, I think I got it a little high. I got it a little high, y'all. Sorry. Don't know why that happened. More. I messed up. Yep, I messed up, y'all. That was stupid. Alright, so this is take 2 of my screw up on the third one. I don't know how I messed it up, but let's try this again. Just as a reminder, you have to let the wax sit overnight to harden, then you can cut the wicks down to size. Doesn't have quite as much as the others, but you know what? It's still a candle, and I'm fine with it, even though it doesn't have as much as the other two. But at least I fixed it, so I'm happy with it, and I think it came out okay, and I'm just gonna go with it. I don't know what happened, y'all. It should have came out fine, but a candle's a candle, and at least it's got wax in it, so yay! Alright, that's it for today's video, and I had so much fun making these candles with y'all, and if y'all enjoyed it as much as I did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video because it helps my channel to grow. And I will see y'all next time for the next video. See y'all later. Bye.